tricky then. And she's even trickier now.
Then we'll have to get tricky too.
Kit, is there anything you know about raccoons that could help us get one step ahead of her?
Well, they're strong swimmers. They sometimes wash their food.
Wash their food?
Raccoons like to get their food wet because it makes their paws extra sensitive. That way, they can really feel what they're eating.
Whiskers, that's it. Director, you said that you lost her near the river. Maybe that's where she's going this time.
Of course, to wash all her stolen food.
I think you're onto something. Let's move.
Think I lost those clade clods. Now, let's see what we got here. Perfectly right.
Stop right there, Roxy Raider.
You again.
Going somewhere, Roxy?
Well, if it isn't Peggy Scratch. You finally found me. Took you long enough.
But I caught you nonetheless. Agents, let's get this food back to the other animals.
Director Scratch? It's all gone.
Oh, my food!
Your food?
That food belonged to those other animals, and you're going to help us collect more.
Help you? Ha! Why should I do that?
Because if you don't, these poor innocent baby birds will go hungry this winter.
Won't you help us, please? Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt anybody.
Well, now's your chance to make things right. What do you say?
I say, let's get to work.
Ugh. Come and get it.
Here you go.
I can't thank you enough.
More grubs, please.
Ugh.
Thank you. You don't know how much this means to us.
Now every animal has enough food for winter.
These seeds are for you. Thanks. Stay warm. Yeah, it felt good helping those folks. From now on, no more stealing food from me.
Then I declare this creature case
No!